Hello, this is Yellow Blossom flowing through generations, bringing positive vibes and funny stories. Today we're reading The Cockroach Plumber Company. Let's go. Okay, into the story. Here we have our cockroach plumber. It says, Cockroach Plumber, we clean and repair all your pipes. Master shrinkers and growers, how can we help you today? Call 1-800-686-000 today. It's got all its tools ready to go. And here is their advertisement. Cockroach Plumber Company. Are you having trouble getting those hairballs out of your pipes? Well, we are here to help. Do you have leaky or broken pipes? Let us help you. We are not your normal plumbers. We can shrink and go inside your pipes and find out what's really going on. We can find any lost items that fall down your pipes. We are the plumber cockroaches, which you will find nowhere else. We grow and shrink to clean and repair all your pipes. Just give us a call at 1-800-686-000 and we will be there in a flash. Come back next time and we'll ring them. Read the banging pipes.